Welcome to the last video in the lasagna series. In this video, I will show you how to lay the lasagna. Here I used a fresh lasagna sheet I bought from the supermarket, but you can click on the link to go and watch the video I did on homemade lasagna sheets. Start with some béchamel sauce before laying the lasagna sheets. Welcome to all the new viewers. This is the last and fourth video of the lasagna series. Down in the description, I will leave all the links of the first 3 videos so you can go through and make your own lasagna at home from scratch. Here is another demonstration on how to layer the lasagna.